Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn possessive pronouns. If you want to know why it's important and what is the usage of possessive pronouns, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So, you must be wondering, what are possessive pronouns? And the answer is simple. Possessive pronouns are words that show ownership or possession. They are used to indicate that something belongs to someone or something, unlike possessive adjectives, example, my, your, his. Possessive pronouns replace the noun phrase entirely. Um, Yesterday we saw possessive adjectives. It's similar but different. If you didn't watch that video, I recommend you to watch it and subscribe on this YouTube channel. So you must be wondering, what is the difference between subject pronouns, possessive adjectives, or possessive pronouns? And the answer is simple. We will use subject pronouns to give like sense to our phrases to express ourselves. And in possessive adjectives, we will express that something belongs to us. For example, this is my favorite song. And in the case the possessive pronouns, we have mine. For example, you can say, this backpack is mine. That means that it belongs to you. So remember subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And then we have possessive adjectives my, your, his, her, its, our, their. It's important that you memorize each of them or just take a screenshot of this video, but it's important that you manage them. In your vocabulary, you will sound really, but really good in English. Then we have possessive pronouns, the ones that we will study mine, yours, his, hers. If you see in this case, only an S makes the difference. Its is the same or just an S, ours, theirs. So please repeat them after me. I, my, mine. You, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. We, our, ours. They, their, theirs. Now let's look at some examples. For example, we have mine. I'm saying that something belongs to me. Mine is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to the speaker. Who is the speaker? Me, because I'm speaking right now. So this book is mine. Yeah? This book is mine, not yours. Mine. It belongs to me. Then we have yours. Yours is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to the person you are speaking to. So imagine that we are having a conversation, right? And I go say, is this jacket yours? Is this uh is this pencil yours? And you will say, yes, it is. No, it isn't, right? Then we have hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to who? To woman in general. It doesn't matter if it's a little girl, a baby girl, but if it's a woman, you will use hers. The pink scarf, do you see? The pink, do you remember the colors? And if you don't, watch my video about the colors and memorize them. You see why it's important? We have the pink scarf is hers. That means that these scarves that she has in her neck belongs to who? To her, not to me. Belongs to her. The pink scarf is hers. Then we have the possessive pronoun his. His is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to who? To men, to boys, to babies, it doesn't matter. But boy babies. To a boy, to a man. The green notebook is his, you see, the one that he's holding or reading. The green notebook is his. That means that this notebook belongs to him. Then we have the possessive pronoun its. Its is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to an animal or a non living thing. Do you remember I said you could use it with animals, with things or objects that don't have life, right? Like a cup of coffee, like a box, like a notebook, they don't are alive. So you could use it with them. The tree lost its leaves in the fall. You see? The leaves are just flying away from the tree. Then we have the possessive pronoun ours. Ours is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to the speaker and others. What it doesn't mean that it belongs to me, but also it belongs to you. That is ours. Ours. For example, the classroom is ours. Why? Because we share it. I give the classes and you receive it. So the classroom is ours. From me to you. It belongs to ours, to us, right? And we will say the classroom is ours. Then we have the possessive pronoun theirs. Theirs is a possessive pronoun for something that belongs to others, not to me. For example, the cookies on the table are theirs, not mine. Belongs to them, those cookies. Now we will see how to formulate questions with possessive pronouns. For example, here we have, are these books theirs? No, those books aren't theirs. Or you could say, are not theirs. Then maybe you don't know. Maybe you see like three or four things that looks like the object that belongs to you, right? For example, here, is this umbrella mine? Or you could say, is this my coffee? Is this my cell phone? Is this my seat? And things like that, right? And they go say, yes, it is yours, or no, it is not yours, right? It depends on the context. Then, for example, when you get married, you could ask, is this house ours? Because you don't know, right? If your partner will be good and will share the house to you. No, I'm just kidding. And the answer, yes, it is ours. Or they could say, no, it is not ours, right? Or for example, imagine if you are like running in the park or in your work and you just forget your phone and your partner or when a stranger says, "Is this phone yours?" And you will say, "Oh, yes, it's mine," or "No, it's not mine." Thanks to watch my videos, guys. I hope that you understood a little bit better what are possessive pronouns. And if it's the first time that you are studying them, please practice it a lot and make your own sentences and don't be afraid to make mistakes. All of us sometimes do it, but it's in the way that we learn and it's in the way that we know that we can do it better, right? So I'd invite you to put down below in the comments one example if you understood the lesson. And of course, if you have friends or family that wants to know or improve their English, please send this video and subscribe on my YouTube channel.